Hi guys, today's video we're going to be making some healthy little snacks with rice cakes, and these are one of my favorite things just to munch on for something lighter, and you can really do a lot with them and mix it up, which is fun. Alright, so for this first one here, I'm going to be making an avocado rice cake. So basically I'm just going to take half an avocado and then I like to cut it up into little cubes almost, just to make it easier to spread on top of the rice cake. And then I like to top it with fresh tomato, some chopped onion, as well as some lemon juice. And then I'll also just sprinkle a little bit of pink salt, and that is a really, really delicious snack. Next up, this one's really easy to make, so you're just going to grab a spoonful of hummus, and I just have a garlic hummus here. I find it just adds a nice little flavor. You're going to top that on the rice cake as well as topping it with some peppers. I'm just going for some green peppers here, and that is another very easy thing you can do. For the third one, I'm just going to start off by slicing up some cucumber, and then I'm going to take some plain coconut yogurt that's just unsweetened and then top the rice cake with that. Then once that's finished, I'm going to top the chopped cucumber on top, as well as a little bit of fresh dill that I've already very finely chopped up here, and that is it for number 3. You can also squeeze some lemon juice on here, which is really tasty as well. Number 4 is a pizza-inspired rice cake, so I'm just taking some tomato sauce and spreading that on the rice cake, and then I'm going to top it with some fresh spinach, as well as a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese, and then I'm also going to pop some onions on there as well, and voila, a little pizza-inspired rice cake. For number 5, I'm going to start by frying up an egg on the frying pan, and then I'm also going to toss some spinach in there to cook up as well. And I'm going to put a little bit of balsamic vinegar into the spinach just to add a little bit of flavor. Then I'm going to top the spinach and the egg and some fresh salt and pepper onto the rice cake, and that is number 5. Now I also wanted to share some sweeter inspired rice cake recipes. So for this one I'm starting off with some sliced strawberry. I'm going to place that all around the rice cake, and then I'm going to top that with some fresh blueberries and a drizzle of honey on there as well for a really great sweet treat. For number 7, I'm going to start off with some nut butter. I'm just using some peanut butter here, and then I'm going to slice up some of a banana, and I'm going to top the rice cake with the banana as well as some nuts. So any kind of nut would work here. I'm just using sunflower seeds because that's what I had. So a nut or a seed, whatever you want to do, is the perfect topping for this little one right here. For this next one here, I'm going to grab some fresh raspberries and then just mash them up completely. And then what I'm going to do is take that and top the rice cake with it. And then I'm going to top it off with some dark chocolate chips so we have a nice chocolate raspberry flavor. I absolutely love this one. Number 9, I'm taking some chocolate coconut yogurt here, and I'm going to spread that over the rice cake, slice up some fresh strawberries and place those on top. And then I'm also going to top it with some dark chocolate chips again, so we got an extra chocolatey strawberry dessert here. Last but not least, I'm going to grab my nut butter again. So this is just the peanut butter here, and then I'm going to chop up some of an apple, and I like to chop it up into cubes. I find that's just easier to place on the rice cake and to eat as well. So I'm going to sprinkle that on top there, and then I'm also going to top it with some cinnamon, and that is it for the rice cakes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these little recipes and you're wanting to try them for your next snack, and let me know if you do and how you enjoy them, and I'll see you guys in my next video.